It's time to make our very own memory match activity. And it's time to make some more pieces for our memory match game. I got my scissors, and you can get your scissors too from your basic supply kit. And we can cut out some more pieces. Do you remember what shape these are? These are squares. They have 4 sides that are the same length or the same size, and they are all the same, and there are 4 of them, so that means it's a square. Today's letter is letter B. We have a box. B for box. B for broom. Broom. Now, before you cut your game pieces out, if you turn the paper over, you can see that you can see through it on the other side. So that wouldn't make it very much of a challenge, would it? What you can do is take a piece of construction paper and put it on the back. But first, get your glue to help hold the construction paper in place. Put a dot of glue on the back of each square. Just a little bit is fine. Just like that. And then put your construction paper over the back of it. You can line it up on this edge, and this edge, on this side. My construction paper is a little bit bigger than the other paper, so what I could do is go like this, and then trim my paper so that it matches up a little better. Or when I cut it, I could just go like this, line this edge up with the edge on the side, hold it in place, and lay it down just like that. That way it covers the paper. As long as it covers the other paper, it's okay. The glue will help hold it in place. There. Smooth that over. And then we turn it over, and then we can cut our pieces out like we usually do. Like this. Follow the line. And turn it. And go like this. See, we cut those extra pieces away. And try to stay as close to the line as you can. And now, go like this, follow the line, cut away from your fingers, and then turn it. Color our memory match pieces. I will start with my blue crayon and color my box blue. It helps to hold it down with your fingers and color between the lines. You can use a different color if you want, but B is for blue, so I think B for blue would be a good color to use to start with. You can color your box B for blue too. And you can pause the video while you catch up. It's okay. And color them the same color for our memory match game. If you don't choose B for blue, make sure the other box is the same color for our game. We have another type of box, or a bin. This one we can color brown. B for brown. And B for the other box, or the bin. Color it brown. There, just like that. B for brown. Now we can choose different colors. This is a safety pin. So we can color the safety pin any color you want. This is yellow. I'm using the color yellow. You see, I didn't stay between the lines, so it's okay if you don't. Just try. There, that is the color yellow. Next, we use the color red. A red pen. Red. Red. The color red. I have the color orange now for the broom. An orange broom. We can color our broom orange. Of course, you're allowed to choose a different color. There. Our broom is orange. And we have a plate with silverware that is the color black. We choose pink for that. So we will have a pink plate with black silverware. Do you know what shape that is? What shape is that plate? Do you know? It is a circle. A circle plate. That plate is in the shape of a circle. So do you remember what shape this is? It's a square. It has 4 sides. It's a square. 4 equal or the same sides. It's a square. And this goes around. So that is a circle. Now we can put our crayons away when we're done coloring. And it's time to laminate. You can get a piece of paper. A piece of paper is almost the size that you will need for the laminate. You can lay it out like that. Put your paper on top, and that's about how much you will need. And you remember, you start it a little bit, then you can remove your paper and go in a straight line. Watch your fingers, cut away from your fingers. That is one piece, and we want 2 pieces. We'll have one for the front and the back and the top, or the top and the bottom. Do the same thing again. Now you can move your pieces out of the way. Your shapes. And then pull the part so you have the sticky side. And this is the sticky side on top. Okay? So you want to lay it down so the sticky side is going up to the top. And then take your shapes. I'm starting with my blue box. Make sure you have a little space at the sides and the top, remember? And if you have to put it in the wrong spot, you can pull it up just like that and move it. So there's a little space, little sticky on this side and this side. That way when we cut it out, it sticks. And put another one here. And they don't have to be next to each other. You want them, remember rows? They need to be about the same amount of space in between them so that it makes it easier to cut them out. see, they don't have to be the same color right next to each other. You just put them down, and you can take your finger and go like this, or your thumb. This is your thumb, and this is your finger. These are fingers. This is a thumb. And pause the video while you catch up. See how they are in rows? This is a row, this is a row, this is a row. And they have space in between them. And get our other piece, and it will go on top. This time, the sticky part goes on the bottom. So it goes towards these, or on the bottom. This is not sticky, and it goes on top. And you go like this. We'll do it, start from the bottom. Try to get them to match up. And then lay it down. And roll it up toward the top. And push and press. Just like that. Go from the middle. And go to the outside where the edges. And then we cut off the extra around the outside first. Go like this. And remember, leave a little bit on the sides. See? And then turn it and cut it just like that. So they are all by themselves now. And when you're all done cutting them out, throw away the pieces that you don't need, or these scrap pieces, so you don't make a mess. Gather them up or get them together like that, and then throw them away. Now that we've made more pieces for our memory match game, let's play. Turn them over and mix them up and see if we can find the matches for our new game. Isn't it nice to make your very own game? You should be so proud of yourself. Okay, let's start with this one. It's a pen. And what color is that? Do you know what color that is? Is it that color? No! That is red. That is brown. And that is not a pen. Let's try it again. Let's try another one. See what this is. That is an orange broom. That is a blue box. Blue box. They do not match. What about this one? A pink plate. Did you know that was pink? A blue box. We saw another blue box. Let's turn them both over and see. Let's see, did we remember right? I did. Did you remember that the other blue box was there? And there we have a match. Let's go to this one. Let's try that one. That one, and that is a pink plate in a brown box or tub. There is a pink plate. Did you remember the other pink plate was there? And did you see when we put this construction paper on the back, we cannot see through to see what's on the other side now. There is a brown tub or box. Let's try this one. I think it was over here, and it was over here. Did you remember it was over there? Let's see what this one is. Did you remember? What color is that? Let's try this one. Ooh, what color is that? They are not a match. That is the color yellow. And that is the color orange. There is a match. Did you remember where the other one was? That is a safety pin. Was it this one? No. Was it this one? No. This one? Yeah. We have a match. They are the same, and they are the color yellow. There is our orange broom. That is a pen, and that is red. They are not the same color, and they are not a match. There is an orange broom. Hey, what letter does broom start with? B. Did you say B? Broom. B. And is this the other broom? It is. It's an orange broom. And they are both the same. And they are a match. And that leaves 1, 2. 2 cards left. Let's turn it over. That is a... what color is it? Red. And there is the other red pen. Very nice. I really like our new Memory Match cards. Do you? I think we should store them so we can use them again and again. And here is the bag where we put our other pieces that we made. And we can put them in there with those. Thank you for playing with me. So we made our own toys and we get a check for doing it. Make sure you give yourself a nice check.